Welcome to Istanbul, the city where East meets West. And today we're diving deep into one of its most famous and lively streets, Istiklal Street. If you're visiting for the first time, this is a place you just can't miss. But beyond the usual tourist spots, I'm going to show you some hidden gems and share insider tips to make your experience unforgettable. Let's go! Istiklal Street is over a mile long, stretching from Taksim Square to Galata. It's been a cultural hub for centuries, home to embassies, theaters, and historic passageways. What makes this place special isn't just its beauty but the energy. It's like the heartbeat of the city. Did you know? Back in the late Ottoman period, this street was known as Grand Rue de Para and was a favorite of European diplomats and elite locals. Today, it's a mix of tradition and modernity. You'll find global brands next to century-old shops. First things first, this red tram is not just for show. It's been running since 1914, and you can hop on to experience Istiklal in a vintage way. Just be ready to share space with some playful kids who love hanging on the back. One of my favorite spots here is Sisik Passagi, or the Flower Passage. This historic arcade is lined with elegant restaurants and was once a gathering place for bohemian artists. Grab some mise and a glass of raki if you want to eat like a true local. Now, if you love lively nightlife, step into Asmala Mesed, just off Istiklal. It's full of cozy bars and live music spots where locals hang out after work. But Istiklal isn't just about parties. It's about connection. In cozy pubs like the North Shield, you'll meet travelers swapping stories over craft beers. Or stumble into a meyhane for a fazil night. Live Turkish music that'll have you clapping, crying, and shouting Sarif. Cheers! With strangers turned friends. As the night winds down, you'll realize something. Istiklal isn't just a street. It's Istanbul's heartbeat. A place where centuries of history dance with today's dreams. So, whether you're here for the music, the food, or the midnight adventures, let Istiklal sweep you up. Because in Istanbul, life doesn't stop when the sun sets, it ignites. Alright, let's get off the main road for a second. Istiklal has so many hidden gems, and I want to show you one of my favorites. Tucked away near the end of Istiklal is the Galata Tower Lodge, where you can watch the mesmerizing whirling dervish ceremony. This 800-year-old Sufi tradition is a must-see if you want to experience the spiritual side of Istanbul. You can't walk through Istiklal without grabbing some street food. Try a simit. It's like a Turkish bagel covered in sesame, perfect for snacking while exploring. And this is an Islak burger, a soft, garlicky, tomato-covered burger that's perfect after a long night out. Trust me, it looks weird but tastes amazing. You'll find it near Taksim Square. If you love unique finds, skip the big brands and check out vintage stores in Küçükçekmece. You can find Ottoman-era antiques, handmade jewelry, and some real one-of-a-kind souvenirs. Istiklal Street is more than just a street. It's a symbol of Istanbul's vibrant culture and rich history. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a unique experience, this is a place you must visit. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
So there you have it. Istiklal Street is more than just a busy shopping street. It's a journey through history, culture, and modern Istanbul life. Whether you're here for the food, the history, or the nightlife, you'll find something special. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite spot in Istanbul? See you next time.
I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give.